So today is our 2018 annual open house here at our corporate headquarters in Virginia Beach. We've got 2 buildings chock full of our vendors representing different products and services.
Customers come in and they have opportunity to look at all the new technologies. We sell a lot of great print technologies by Xerox. We have HP, we have Lenovo, we have Dell, we have Cisco. I mean, you name it, we're going to have it.
8 different food trucks available. There's live music playing.
We have some amazing prizes.
Anything from Yeti coolers to GoPros to Beat headsets.
Part of the criteria to win those prizes is to get your card punched by every single vendor that's on location here.
We're going to walk through and make sure we get our card punched.
ESI grows, and as our partnership grows, we've gotten some really good feedback on some of the cool products.
We've got fun interactive elements with our display. We have a virtual reality.
I mean, it's incredible how fast technology is moving, and to be here in one place to see all of those different technologies is a great help.
This is all about customer awareness, and to have hundreds of people, this opportunity, it's huge.
One thing I love is that we as employees at ESI get involved with the open house.
You know, we work really hard to throw this thing, and we have a lot of really talented people that are doing decorating and setup and cleanup and driving shuttling buses around. It's really neat to see everybody wearing 10 hats and making this thing happen.
I'm most excited about the 3 o'clock networking tent that we're going to have available.
So that our customers, our employees, and our vendors can all spend some casual time getting to know each other a little bit better and understand how else we can help our customers' organizations.
The smiles are everywhere, the business cards are being exchanged. I really like what we have to look forward to, and we're going to follow up on all these great opportunities after this, I'm sure.
We have the entire warehouse specced out with amazing catering, and we had an amazing drawing raffle for a big green egg. All proceeds of that are going back to CHKD.
We're a great partner with them. They're a great partner with us. We love being in the community and being part of the community. We're a local company that enjoys being with the local community.
I'd like to thank ESI for helping us get through our solutions.
I would definitely be back next year.
ESI Open House 2018.